Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. It's Jay from Mitosu Crafts and welcome to the Global Stampin Video Hop with the theme of CAS Cards or Stamp a Stack. Today I'll be creating a card using the Time of Giving bundle from the mini catalog by Stampin Up, including the Time of Giving stamp set and the Giving Gifts dies. You'll need polished pink card base, basic white layer which is 1 centimeter smaller than the card front, or that's 3/8 of an inch smaller than the card front, some offcuts of basic white, and I have a piece of offcut here from the Whimsy and Wonder DSP, which is 1.5 centimeter or 5/8 of an inch. And I think that is it. I will be doing some embossing as well with the checks and dots embossing folder. Okay, so we'll start off with the basic white layer, and we'll be die cutting the snowflakes design in the middle there using the Suki. So just place that die on top of the card layer, bearing in mind the straightness of the side of the die as well as the paper, and I have placed it at a slight wonk so it goes through the cutting machine easier and it cuts it down. I'll just go back again just in case. I'm also die cutting one snowflake just for embellishment. And then if you take that off, so you're left with the plate one, we'll be embossing this. So I'm gonna partial emboss that. So place that onto your card, and I'm just gonna, I just want to emboss the top layer there. So place your cutting plate on top and stop it where you want it to stop embossing. And you have an embossed side there. So we have a layer there. I'm gonna ink up with polished pink underneath the layer, just a hint of that. We're independent Stampin' Up demonstrators based in the UK, so if you live in the UK, France, Germany, Austria, or the Netherlands, you'll be able to purchase current Stampin' Up products from our online shop. Do use the current host code, which can be found on our website at mitosocrafts.com, to receive any extra gifts if your order qualifies. And once that's done, we can add on our DSP and sentiment. So we will be doing some stamping on the layer as well. And I've chosen the snowflakes in soft sea foam. And again, we just want hints of this around. And that is done. And finally, the sentiment, which is going to be the season's greeting in Memento. And I'm just going to cut that freehand. So we'll embrace the wonk and just cut it. Just commit to it and cut it down. We're going to construct the card. We're just going to add that on dimensionals. Check out the description below for the product links as well as the link to the next video in the hop. So that gets added on top. You can see hints of the blending. That one is quite tall, and that's gonna go there. So we could always just cut that down so it finishes lower. There you go. So that's just gonna be added on. There, in that as well. If you want more height, you could fold mini glue dots. But I'm just gonna have that like that. Finally, we're gonna add some embellishment. We're just gonna tie a bow with a linen thread. Cut that off. We're gonna add that onto there. So just add a dot of glue. Place that on there. You could always cut the tails again, even smaller if you preferred. And then add the die cut on top. As well as some pearl basic rhinestone to finish. So we're just gonna add, or you can just splatter Wink of Stella as well into here. There we go. That is my CAS card for the Global Stampin Video Hop. I did have another card using the same bundle, but in pale papaya and using the leaves. I stepped it up a bit more with the heat embossing of the sentiment and some more blended die cuts there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and hit subscribe if you haven't done so. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time, bye!